Did you know drones can fly over 400 kilometers per hour? That's faster than a Formula One car. And get this, they're not just for racing or taking cool videos. Some drones are literal lifesavers, delivering vital organs for transplants. Imagine that. Welcome to Did You Know? Your daily dose of amazing facts from FactBite Daily. Today we're diving into the incredible world of drones. And trust me, it's going to blow your mind. So let's start with that speed. Fact number 1. The fastest racing drones have been clocked at over 400 kilometers per hour. These aren't your average hobby drones. They are custom-built machines designed for pure adrenaline-pumping speed, zipping through complex courses like something out of a sci-fi movie. Fact 2, and this one is truly inspiring. Medical drones are revolutionizing healthcare. In trial runs, they've successfully delivered blood, vaccines, and even organs to remote or hard-to-reach hospitals. In some cases, they've cut delivery times by a staggering 90%. This isn't just about convenience. It's about saving lives when every second counts. Now, let's go from the sky to the sea. Fact 3. Underwater drones, or ROVs, are giving us unprecedented views of the deep ocean. Scientists are using them to film great white sharks up close, gathering crucial data without putting any divers at risk. These submersible robots can withstand immense pressure and explore places humans simply can't reach, unlocking the mysteries of the deep. Back in the air, Fact 4 brings us to military technology. Some of the most advanced military drones can stay airborne for over 24 hours without landing. They cruise at altitudes of 20,000 feet, providing surveillance and reconnaissance over vast areas. Their endurance is a game-changer for modern defense and security operations. All right, on to something you might be seeing soon at your own front door. Fact 5. Amazon is actively testing its Prime Air service, which promises to deliver packages in 30 minutes or less using drones. While it's still in the testing phase in select cities, the idea of a drone dropping off your order just minutes after you click buy is quickly becoming a reality. The future of shopping is literally on its way. Fact 6 is where things get really spectacular. Drone swarms. Using advanced swarm technology, engineers can coordinate thousands of individual drones to fly together in perfect harmony, like a flock of birds or a school of fish. You've probably seen this in action during major events, where more than 3,000 drones create breathtaking light shows, painting incredible pictures in the night sky. And for our final fact, number 7, we're shrinking things down. I'm talking about nano drones, some of which are smaller than an insect. While still largely in the experimental phase, their potential is enormous. Imagine tiny drones used for covert surveillance, or, even more amazingly, traveling inside the human body to perform medical procedures or deliver medicine directly to a tumor. It sounds like science fiction, but it's the future of micro-robotics. So what does the future hold? By 2030, we could see drone taxis flying us across cities, personal delivery bots becoming a common sight, and even drones assisting police forces. Of course, with all this technology comes growing concerns about privacy and safety. We can expect to see new laws and regulations developing just as fast as the technology itself. So, out of all these incredible facts, which one shocked you the most? The mind-blowing 400 km/h speed, or the heartwarming life-saving organ deliveries? Let me know in the comments below. Drop a helicopter emoji for speed, or a heart emoji for the life-saving drones. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of future tech, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another episode of Did You Know? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.